Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Ibnu Hanif bin Nur Salim and I will present my project for the question number 2, and this is the project. There's an ultrasonic distance sensor, piezoelectric buzzer and LCD, and there's also a potentiometer here. And these are the pins that were connected accordingly and with colored wires. Now for the codes, there's hashtag include liquid crystal.h. Means that we need to include this for the liquid crystal library for us to use the command for the LCD. Cause in ping sensor is for we to call the ping for the ultrasonic sensor, which to ping number 7. Liquid crystal LCD, which we to call the all the ping 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 connected to the LCD. In the void setup, LCD.begin, we put the dimension of the LCD, which is 16 by 2, and pin mode, we declare pin mode 6 as an output, which is the buzzer, which pin mode 6 is the buzzer. In the void loop, we call a long variable for duration and cm. Then we call ping sensor as output, because we want to send a high pulse of 2 or more microsecond, and we give a short low pulse beforehand to ensure a clean high pulse. We send out high pulse, then to receive the pulse back to measure the duration of the ping. And here we set the ping sensor as input to receive the reflected signal and the duration to be measured. This line over here is to convert the time measured into distance, which is cm, and there's a variable ms to cm, and we input the duration over here, and this ms to cm is we calculate as the for long microsecond, which is the inputted microsecond will be divided by 29 and divided by 2. This is because the speed of sound is 340 meter per second, or 29 microsecond per centimeters. And the ping travels out and back. So to find the distance of the object, we take half of the distance traveled. That's why it's divided by 2. Now we go to the main program. Now the system will warn if an object is too close, if it is below 30 cm, if the object is detected nearer than 30 cm, there's a set of tones that was set with 600 frequency and a duration of 100 with delay 150. And then over here, as a auditory warning, and the LCD will first be cleared, and the LCD dot set cursor will set where the word will start, and then it will print warning, and then set cursor 0 1 1, which means that the layer below it will say the object is too close. Then it will be cleared again, and it will say collision might occur. But if it's above 30 cm but below 80 cm, Then it will just a print warning object near you with a different tone, with a 580 frequency, with a duration of 120. Else, if it's above, if the object is above 80 cm, then the LCD will be clear. Clear the LCD when nothing is too close. Then there will be a delay for half second. Now I will start the simulation. Now this is when it is above 80 cm. Now there's nothing, there's no buzzer beeping, and the LCD doesn't show anything. But when the object gets nearer, you can hear the buzzer beeping, and the LCD shows warning object near you. And if we get nearer, below 30 cm, it will show that warning object too close and collision might occur. And the buzzer will be more high pitch, and so that the driver or the user will be able to be notified immediately. Okay, thank you very much.